friends! Today we're gonna make music out of these glasses. Do you know how to make it? First, I have 5 glasses and a fork. All 5 glasses are equal in size. You can take 3 or 5 glasses, but make sure it's the same size. The glasses are empty. I'm gonna use a fork. You can use a spoon if you want. You're gonna make sound of it. Do you hear the difference? No, they are equal. Now we're gonna fill these glasses with water. Now let's pour water to the first glass. Let's fill it to the top of the glass. I'm pouring water to the another glass, but make sure it's a little less than this, but not a lot lesser, okay? If you see the glasses are same and you just see the water are not the same, to make it for me, add color to the water. You can choose your favorite color. I'm gonna choose my favorite color is blue. Make sure you only add a little bit. Now let's mix everything. Be careful and don't spill it out, okay? It looks colorful, isn't it? Now let's make music out of this. It sounds like a xylophone, right? Each glass has a different sound, right? Do you know why it makes different sounds every time? Because the water is low and high, like pitches. Let's play a game, but let's do it fast, okay? I love to play this Water Xylaphone. You can make it at home if you want. Try it. I hope you like it. If you like the video, click the subscribe button and click the bell button. More videos are gonna come. Thank you for watching.